In this video we will show you how you can treat a cooler room with the fast curing Plastifloor resins. Cooler is sometimes wet, so you have to torch it and scarify it before you can install the coating. Make a patty test, that means mix resin and sand together and glue it to the substrate. And try to remove it to see how much material bonds completely to the substrate. When you turn the patty, you will see at least 75 to 80% of the resin should glue completely to the substrate. Use a torch to dry the floor before you can use the fast curing Plastifloor 118 resin to prime the substrate. Use a thick roller and apply at least 0.5 kJ square meter, that's 100 square foot a gallon, to penetrate the floor completely and make sure that it's covered completely. Use a brush for the coves and broadcast the primer with quartz 0.6 to 1.2 millimeters. The fast curing 118 primer is curing within 45 minutes, so you can start with the next layer, that's Plastifloor 332 membrane. Broadcast the membrane completely with quartz 0.6 to 1.2 millimeters. Then you're ready to install the Plastifloor 418 base coat. It's mixed 1:1 with this L filler and will be spread out with a notch trowel and spiked before you throw in the color quartz size 0.4 to 2 millimeters to achieve a good slip resistance. After that, remove the excess broom and vac the floor. Now you're ready to seal the floor coating. Use Plastifloor 526 sealer. Spread it out on the clean surface and roll it with rollers 8 and 14 millimeters to make sure that you cover the full area completely. Apply 2 sealer layers and you will achieve a seamless, ready for use floor coating system. Plastifloor resins are used for many kind of industrial floors, even in showers or locker rooms. We supply also board panels to protect the walls. Here you can see the Plastifloor resins used in a textile factory or even for stairs and kitchens. The resins are good to use. Here you can see a garage floor. Always the fast curing property is the reason to use Plastifloor resins. Call me for further assistance, 305 336 7635.